Hey guys, in today's video we're going to have an unboxing and a look into the specifications of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. Now without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and also make sure you hit the subscribe button. In case if you have any queries regarding the GoPro Hero 7 Black, feel free to drop a comment below. A complete review of the GoPro Hero 7 is coming up in the channel, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it for this video. You guys have been watching me.suraif Creations. This is Suraif and I will catch you in the next one.